What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. We're making some house music, just basically keying in the bass line. So using the FM pluck bass again. So yeah. Alright guys, I've got that. Got a kick drum, a drum kit. Yeah, I've got another super high melody ringing. Yeah, I've got that. I've put a little bit of a volume lift on that in certain areas. Yeah, in certain areas, guys. All right. I've also got vocal. Yeah, so I got vocal. I chopped up the vocal. All right, it's been chopped up. All right, also put a little reverb on that. Yeah, so it's been chopped up. Got a little reverb going on in there as well, guys. All right. I've used a bit of low pass, high pass filter on the drums just before the drop, and the bass line also, bass line and the drums just before the drop. So I'll give you a demonstration of that. So a little EQ going on there, guys. Yeah, so I've basically got the bass. I duplicated it, so I've got it more than once. I've got a bit of low pass, high pass, and then the bass comes back in, yeah? Alright guys, so listen to this now. Let me play it from the start, give you an idea of what I've done. And this track is called Jazz Beat. It's a jazz beat shuffle, guys. Jazz beat shuffle. Deep house mix, yeah? Jeez. guys, that's enough. Guys, don't forget to hit my link up in my bio, yeah, if you're on Instagram. Linktr.ee/TommyTappah for more from me, yeah? Guys, you know where to come. Just check it out, guys. Check out more from me, yeah? Remember to tap in for more from this channel right here. Cheers!